Describe a skill that you learned in your childhood. You should say what the skill was, who taught you this skill, how they taught you, and explain why you think it is important.
Sample answer 1. Well, I believe in the importance of continuous learning and always strive to acquire new skills. One particular skill that I recently learned, albeit with considerable difficulty, is cooking. I embarked on this culinary journey during the COVID-19 lockdown when I found myself with ample free time at home. Given my plans to pursue higher education abroad, I realized the necessity of mastering this essential skill to be self-sufficient in preparing meals. Prior to this endeavor, I had virtually no knowledge of cooking. I decided to seek guidance from my mother, who is an excellent cook and prepares delicious dishes with ease. However, learning to cook was far from easy for me, and I often struggled to grasp even the basics. I found myself spending a significant amount of time just learning the names of different spices. Despite numerous failures and setbacks, my mother remained patient and supportive, encouraging me to persevere. One of the most challenging aspects for me was mastering the art of making round flatbread, known as roti. I struggled with shaping it correctly and often ended up with bread that was either too hard or too difficult to eat. My mother offered invaluable advice on achieving the right consistency of dough to ensure perfectly shaped bread or chapati. Determined not to give up, I continued to practice diligently, and after about a month of persistent effort, I finally began to see improvement in my cooking skills. Additionally, I supplemented my learning by exploring various recipes and techniques through YouTube channels. The sense of accomplishment I felt upon mastering this skill was truly exhilarating. I no longer had to depend on others for my meals, and I even started experimenting with new dishes on weekends to treat my family. Now, I consider myself a competent cook, thanks to the invaluable lessons and unwavering support from my mother. So, this challenging skill has not only made me more self-reliant but also enriched my life in unexpected ways. Sample answer 2. Well, learning new skills has always been essential for broadening one's horizons. Although I have acquired various skills throughout my life, such as drawing, dancing, and languages, among others, I would like to specifically discuss a skill that I learned during my childhood: computer typing. I vividly recall learning this skill when I was in the 5th grade during my summer vacation. My uncle, who lived just a stone's throw away from my place, was the one who taught me. He was not only my father's close friend but also a computer teacher at a school. When it comes to the methodology he used to teach me, he approached it step by step. Firstly, he familiarized me with the components of a computer and the layout of the keyboard. Then, he explained the correct hand positioning required for efficient typing. After that, he provided me with lines to practice typing without looking at the keyboard. To be honest, initially, I made several mistakes. However, with continuous practice and guidance from my uncle, I eventually mastered the skill. In my opinion, this skill holds significant value for several reasons. Firstly, in this modern era, where computers are ubiquitous, possessing typing skills enhances job opportunities and enables people to work more efficiently. Secondly, learning to type effectively also emphasizes the importance of hand-eye coordination and balance. All in all, computer typing was a skill that I successfully mastered during my childhood.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.